Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity, and today is a video I really didn't think I would ever make, but I just experienced some pretty bad road rage. Want to take you over to the Tesla cam footage and show you what happened, so come along with me and check it out. Alright, so I had just picked up lunch and was leaving a shopping center right here. You can see the Cadillac in front of me jumps out right in front of a car that's probably going a little too fast also. The video doesn't really capture speed well, but that Cadillac really cut off that Audi pretty bad. We come up to a stop sign, and I'm going to jump ahead now. Okay, so for whatever reason, after getting cut off, the Audi decided to go from flying down the road, probably 15 over the speed limit, to going about 10 miles an hour down the road. So it's a legal pass there. You can see there's no lines on the ground, and I went ahead of that car. He actually swerved and tried to hit me when I went around him. You can see that was the end of that video footage. So let me jump to the next video here, which is further along. Sorry. All right, so here we are. You can actually see, if you're watching up here on the rear, he starts to tailgate me pretty close. Let me show you this. You can see I'm at the stop sign, so check that out. He kind of just goes around me against traffic. Then he decides to fly right past me. And then we're going to go ahead and jam on the brakes in the middle of the road like a logical person would do. Notice the sarcasm. Then he gets out of the car. So, you know, I do a quick 3-point turn into somebody's driveway, and luckily there was a little median there for me to get away. And that's that. So let's recap it. This guy was cut off after flying down the road. He certainly shouldn't have been cut off. Sorry for him to have been cut off by that Cadillac. The response to getting cut off is, for some reason, to drive about 10 miles an hour in a 25 mile an hour zone in front of me. And then when I went to make a legal pass around him, he blocked me and almost swerved right into me. I don't know why. Finally, I got around him, and then he proceeded to remember where his gas pedal was. It was a gas car. And he started tailgating me over every speed bump, right on top of my bumper. You saw one or two of them there in the video. And then come up to a turn, and he decided to go against traffic and go through the stop sign around me, sped up, pulled in front of me, jammed on the brakes, got out of the car, and started walking toward me. So I don't know what happened there. I'm very thankful for Tesla Cam giving us all of the different angles to see things like that. I do have the gentleman's license plate. You know, I'm not sure what to do with that or if I should do anything with it, but I just thought I would share this with you. If you haven't yet installed a thumb drive in your Tesla to record Tesla Cam footage, please do. You really don't want to have a situation like this and not have footage. I was a little bit shaken, but thankfully everything was okay. And certainly, you know, never engage with somebody like this. Do what I did. You know, first of all, I tried to stop and let the guy go by. I didn't think he would then jam on his brakes and get out of the car. I looked around and had the opportunity to back out of the situation and get away from him, and that was it. So hope you're all safe out there. I know we're all going a little nutty here with the stay-at-home orders, but please be safe, everyone, and I hope you found this helpful. If you need help setting up your thumb drive or your Tesla Cam drive, whatever you call it, you can check in the description down below. I'll have some information for you to help you get set up. Hope you found this helpful. We'll catch you on the next one, everyone. Bye.